Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain alert on Domo data flow. So first we have to pick a data flow where we want to create alerts. So there are a lot of data flow. When we click on data, we can reach out to data flow section. So let's pick any of the data flow pivot in Domo. Now we will create alert in this data flow. So we have a option alert. Click on alert, click on new alert. Okay, something wrong with this data set. No problem. Let's pick any other one. Let's pick this one. Okay, alert, new alert. Now configure when you want your alert to trigger. Now we have to make configuration to decide when the alert should be triggered. So metric. First is individual row, another is column aggregation. So in individual row, we have a three option. If any row is added, then alert should be triggered. Any row is changed, alert should be triggered. Any row is deleted, in that case also alert should be triggered. Another thing is like column aggregation. So let's take one example, cost. Okay. So maximum cost, let's give. So if the maximum, and if I give value here 50. Okay, so if the maximum cost is greater than 50, then alert will trigger. Okay, so in our in any of the business, we know our threshold, like maximum cost of any of the product is 50, 60 or 100. But there is a chance of mistake or anomalies in data. So maybe sometime due to some user mistake, the cost is coming wrong. Instead of 50, it is 500. So in that case, we want to create alert. So we know our maximum value, that is 100 or 50, anything. So we can set alert based on that maximum value. So instead of greater than equal to, we can choose less than equal to. Like in the less than, we can set 0. So we know price should not be less than 0, like that. We can give between also. We can give a change by, increase by this percent, like if given this much. Okay, so we know our value is 50, like average value is 50. But if it's changed by 100, assume, it is not possible. If any price is 50, product of any price is 5050, okay, $50, assume. So it is not possible next day that price will change to 500 or 600 or anything. Hardly if any change occur, like 10% or 20%. It may be 55 or 60, but it cannot change more than 50 or 100. That we know. If any kind of thing happen, then we can create a trigger. We can create a trigger or alert to get notified. So we just need to explore different kind of alert option here. I just given one example, change by percentage. So we can give like hardly, we know hardly change will happen 20% or 10%. There is no possibility more than 10% or 20% we can have any changes. So we can give, if cost, maximum cost price gets changed more than 20%, in that case we want to see the alert. Like definitely there is something wrong in data, so we want to see the alert. So like that we can create alert. So let's go with this matrix, click on next. Okay, so now we can give the message. We can write our own message. Let it be default, but we have an option to write our own things. Next. Now people who want to get the alert, so we have an option to add the users. So I added Tia. So if whenever the price will increase more than 20%, Tia will be notified. Okay, so let's click on save. So we have option to add more, but I have only one user, so I am adding one. Click on save. Alerts created. Okay. Now again, we have, if we want to add more people in the alert, just click on share and then we can add more people in the alert. Okay, so we just need to click on share. We can add more people to this alert. Okay, now we have an option to attach action. So we don't need to worry about this. Even we have an option to add a workflow, Domo webhook, task, but this much is enough. This kind of things I will cover in another videos. So this is how we can create alert. After creating alert, whenever it will meet the condition, whenever it will meet the condition, we will get the alert. So in this alert, we have a condition maximum of cost changed by 20% or more. So this is all about how do we create alert in Domo. Thank you.